Hi friends. Hi, welcome. How are you doing? We'll begin in a short while. Let our guests join. So the weather today is really very, if you could see, it's like very drowsy weather. Yeah, feeling like having a hot sip of tea and with pakoras and all. Hi Pradesh.
Hi, hello.
Hi. Yeah. So friends, we'll begin in a short while. So you must have seen, friends, like when this lockdown time started. At that point of time, we never thought like this lockdown would be a very long period. So that period of time, I thought like it will end up in March 30th. But then this lockdown time stretched till now. Like it's almost we have finished almost 115 or 120 days of lockdown time. So when it began, I thought like we should do something. This is a great time to introspect our values and belief system. So I thought of starting up with lockdown leadership series, wherein we could invite a lot of people who has really done authentic work, who has really something to share from their life. Not only they are coaching, but they are living that life. So I thought of doing this series, and so this is my episode number 4. So first I invited a transformational leadership coach, Mr. Naveen Chaudhary, and second it was a communication coach, Mr. Sunil Agarwal, and third was Sonika Chopra, who was a wellness coach in creating positive work culture in corporate. And today we have our fourth speaker, who is a dear friend of mine. I know him from last 22 years, and he is living the life of a leader. He is there in this field of education for last 22 years. He eat, drink, and sleep education, really transforming the lives of a lot of people. And he's going to share a very innovative concept, which a lot of people should know about it. And it is really like, if people know about this, then you could see the drastic thing which happened was of Sushant Singh Rajput. It could have avoided if people would have known about this science. So this science is all about graphology. And I'm going to invite today's speaker, and a dear friend of mine, Mr. Prajesh Trotsky. Hi Prajesh, welcome to this Lockdown Leadership Series episode number 4. And I'm very glad to share the Insta Live page with you, because I know you are doing a wonderful work from last 10 years. So Prajesh, can you share about what is graphology to the audience? Because a lot of people don't know, and this is a very unprecedented times. So through your the valuable space, if you can share more about graphology, sir. Over to you.
First of all, thank you, Pawan, for inviting me for this Insta Live.
Yes.
I think so. This is my third live. Like I'm not used to on Insta and all these places, but definitely I'll be sharing many things about graphology. First of all, since you asked what is graphology, so when you see this word graphology, so logy means study and graph means the graph of your life.
Yes.
So you might have heard about word biology. So
Yes.
logy means study and
Yes.
bio means life. The study of life is called as biology. The same way, study of the graph of your life is called as graphology. So what is the graph of your life? So your handwriting and your signature is the graph of your life. The way you write on a blank page, we don't take analysis on a ruled pages.
Yes.
Because ruled pages will always have a support. Blank page will not have any support. So the real personality will be tested when there is no support. So support जब हट जाता है, तो आपकी real personality का पता चलता है. So we understand. If you can see this, if you can see this, can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is going.
So
It's
going up
and
and
again
coming down.
Yes.
Coming down. So this was the signature of a student.
Yes.
So whenever she had the exams, on the day of the exam, so she used to have severe fever on the day of the exam. Then she has to take injection and then go for the exam. This was repeatedly happening from 3-4 years. So this case came to me. So after seeing her signature, I can see here, if you'll see here, she is going up, coming down, and again sinking down. The most important thing is sinking down.
Okay.
So when we see the graph of the life, when we see, call it as graph, so the graph is going up, pulling back, and again sinking down.
Yes.
So the overall growth is from top to bottom.
Yes.
From top to bottom. So this is called as a sinking graph. Graph.
Yes.
And my friends, like Pawan, I would like to share here, this can be a suicidal signature also. Because there is a sudden growth and then pulling back herself and then going down. So this incident happened, just to share one more minute. So this incident happened way back in 7th standard of this student. She was like scoring wonderfully well, but certain parents are authoritarian parents.
Okay.
इस बार अगर तुम्हारा marks कम हो गया तो फिर देख लेना. And sudden she shouted for the next exam, and she was an auditory child, and because of the sudden shout, there was a neuro-linguistic programming anchoring done on that child's mind. And whenever she goes for the exam, she has that fear, and that day of the exam, she sinks with that, and the sinking feeling comes. And whenever a sinking feeling comes, the body will attract diseases.
Wow.
So that is how the fever was coming, and we just rectified just by changing the signature. Just told her to underscore it. That's it. So that is what is graphology.
So that wonderfully said, Prajesh. The study of graph is known as graphology. Very good. So people can. Prajesh, can you share about how it works exactly? Like, I mean, how people can be benefited, or how people will come to know more about it, about their handwriting.
See, to be very frank and honest, like as I mentioned, it is a graph of your life. So you have seen certain. This knowledge always speaks about 3 types of personality.
Right.
The first personality, the personality which is show to the outside world. Now, right now, you introduced me. Many people know me.
Yes.
Certain people are typing and saying that, sir, आप beard में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे होते. एक personality हमने रखा है सामने.
Yes.
So this is the personality which we show.
Yes.
अब भी मेरे घर में झगड़ा हुआ, मेरे वाइफ के साथ जमता नहीं है, वो मैं यहाँ पर नहीं लेकर आ सकता हूँ. Because I cannot bring that thing. And I'll say, Pawan, I'm not in a mood right now. Please, like something has happened. So I cannot get that personality here. So the first personality is the personality which we show.
Yes.
Second is the personality which we think. हम भ्रम में रहते हैं कि हम ऐसे हैं. ये पूरा 99% जो भी रिलेशनशिप में challenges आते हैं, ये हम we are responsible for it. We are responsible because the meaning of your communication is the response what you get. हम जो communicate करते हैं उसी का response हमको आता है.
Right.
So ये second personality, we always think we are right.
Yes.
And the third personality, the personality which we actually are.
Okay.
और ये उम्र गुजर जाती है, और ये एक्चुअल पर्सनालिटी का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है -9 months to 14 years, माँ के कोख से लेके 14 साल की उम्र के बीच में जो भी थॉट प्रोसेसेस अपब्रिंगिंग के टाइम पे पेरेंट्स के जरिए, सोसाइटी के जरिए, कम्युनिटी के जरिए, वो एनवायरनमेंट के जरिए उनको मिलता है, वो थॉट प्रोसेस से हम एक कैरेक्टर बन जाते हैं. और ये कैरेक्टर का पता हमको खुद को मालूम नहीं रहता है. शॉर्ट एग्जांपल एंड देन आई लैंडेड. सो यू माइट हैव सीन सर्टेन पीपल ना, कितना भी इमोशंस रहेंगे लोग एक्सप्रेस नहीं करेंगे, उनके थोबड़े पे हमेशा 12 ही बजे रहते हैं. तो लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं कि यार तू बोलता क्यों नहीं है, तू हंसता क्यों नहीं है, तू हमेशा कभी शेयर नहीं करता है. तो दे हैव बिकेम लाइक दैट वे. तो ये पर्सनालिटी कैसा पता चलेगी? अच्छा, उसको खुद को मालूम नहीं व्हाई ही हैज बिकम लाइक दैट वे. एंड जो सामने रिलेशनशिप में वो बेचारा हमेशा कंप्लेंट करता रहेगा कि भाई ये ऐसा क्यों है यार, ये एक्सप्रेस क्यों नहीं करता. माय फ्रेंड, ये उसकी हैंडराइटिंग में कैसा दिखेगा? हिज हैंडराइटिंग विल ऑलवेज लीन टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. A handwriting which lean towards the left is always suppressing the emotions. जो लेफ्ट की तरफ जाता है, वो बंदा हमेशा अपने इमोशंस को सप्रेस करता है. अब ये सप्रेस क्यों करता है कि when he might be very young or very a small kid, whenever he wanted to express to the parents or to the friends or something like that, people around him, there was no one to listen to him. The moment there is no one to listen to him, तो he stops expressing, because कुछ तो इंसिडेंट हुआ रहता है, उसको बताना रहता है, लेकिन मम्मी डैडी शायद काज में कहीं ना कहीं बिजी हो जाते हैं, बेटा बाद में बात करते, तुम बाद में आओ, एंड समवेयर ही स्टॉप्स एक्सप्रेसिंग, और ये गड़बड़ वहां से स्टार्ट होता है. एंड दैट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड इन हिज हैंडराइटिंग. नो टीचर विल टीच यू टू गो टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट, स्टैंड स्ट्रेट और गो टुवर्ड्स द राइट.
Absolutely.
This person, since he represses the emotions inside, his handwriting also goes to the left. So this is how, through the various parameters in the handwriting, we can identify the personality and we can help them to come out of these challenges and rectify them with a proper therapy, and we can bring wonders.
Okay. So
That is how it works.
So that great, that is absolutely brilliant what you said about we have three type of personality. One, we know what we are, we think what we are, and second is what we are, and third is what we show to the world. So brilliantly
Yeah.
said about, and that thing we can come to know by by doing our analysis of our handwriting. That is what you said.
Yes.
That is so brilliant, and especially in this lockdown time, this is unprecedented event which took place in a century, last 100 years. So people are going through lots of emotion, which is they don't even know about. A lot of challenges, health, money, relationships, so many other challenges. So Prajesh, what do you think at this point of time, since we have surpassed 115 or 120 days? So how graphology can help us in this lockdown times where people are they're at home and they don't know what to be done, or a lot of people are feeling suicidal because every now and then if you see news, a lot of people are doing suicide. So what people should exactly do in this lockdown times, like?
So through graphology, how we can help people.
Yes.
So the most I feel कि somewhere none of us know the purpose of life. तो
Absolutely.
बहुत जरूरी होता है कि हम सबको अपने लाइफ का पर्पस पता चलना चाहिए. तो मेरे मेंटर हमेशा कहते हैं कि वी कम टू दिस वर्ल्ड फॉर टू थिंग्स, दैट इज ग्रोथ एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन. ग्रोथ एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन. सो ग्रोथ मीन्स हम जहां हैं वहां से ग्रो करना बहुत जरूरी है. वी कैन नॉट स्टे एट वन पर्टिकुलर लेवल. सो ग्रोथ नहीं अगर होगा तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है. तो कहते हैं ना कि मेंटर संतोष नायर कहते हैं कि ठहरा हुआ पानी और रुका हुआ इंसान दोनों सड़ जाते हैं. लाइक इफ यू स्टे स्टैग्नेंट समवेयर, और लॉकडाउन ने लोगों को स्टैग्नेंट कर दिया है, तो ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. कहीं ना कहीं लॉकडाउन में दे आर जस्ट स्टैग्नेंट, एंड जिसकी वजह से देयर इज ऑलवेज अ चैलेंज की आइडियल माइंड्स इज डेविल्स वर्कशॉप. सो ग्रोथ होना चाहिए जहां पर भी हम हैं, और कंट्रीब्यूशन होना चाहिए. यानी कि जो भी नॉलेज आपके पास है, जो भी स्किल्स है, उसको पकड़ते हुए हमको समाज में कंट्रीब्यूट करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो बीइंग अ टीचर बाय प्रोफेशन फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 years, so I know mathematics as a subject, and I taught the students, and because of which I became famous, and I got payment for that, and I grew in my life. At the same time, I used this knowledge for contributing back to the society. There are thousands of students जिनका mathematics एक challenging subject था, जिसको मैंने resolve किया, and there are many people out here, those are my ex-students, and they're sharing about my past and my experiences with them. So that is growth and contribution. So how can graphology? My friend, there should be always a purpose in life. Like जब तक लोगों के लाइफ में पर्पस नहीं है, और वो पर्पस सेल्फिश नहीं होना चाहिए, सेल्फलेस होना चाहिए, और पर्पस जो है छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी बिग. इट शुड बी बिग. तो graphology can help us. We come to know this mindset which we have inside, because of which we are stuck up in this lockdown. I am not stuck up, to be very frank and honest, Pawan. Like 22nd March was the what we call it, Janta curfew, and 23rd March I was up and taking the webinars. I was never an internet person or what we call it as a digital person, but now I am booked till 30th, at least, and end of this month, Friday, Saturday, Sunday I've booked, and across this month is only because I have a big purpose in life. So graphology, how can graphology can help? It comes up with an alphabet called as T. And बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टी एक ऐसा अल्फाबेट है जो आपका 80% पर्सनालिटी को दर्शाता है. टी में गड़बड़ तो लाइफ में गड़बड़. टी में गड़बड़ तो लाइफ में गड़बड़. तो ये जो भी लॉकडाउन है, मेरा टी अलग लेवल पे था, जिसकी वजह से मैं कभी बैठा नहीं. आई केप्ट ऑन मूविंग. और लॉकडाउन, इट शुड नॉट हैपन दैट इट शुड एक्सटेंड फॉर 6 months or 4 months. But I am prepared for the next 6 months. I know what to do because I have a big purpose in life. So how can I can help you? If you see this T, so T will always have a stem, and there is a crossbar. तो T में हमेशा एक stem रहेगा और एक crossbar रहेगा. तो stem with a crossbar. So your goals in life, like where do you crossbar? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ये क्रॉसबार कहाँ गिरता है. तो मैं आपको एक सेकंड पेज दिखाऊंगा. यहाँ पे 3 पोजीशंस में आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. एक में क्रॉसबार बहुत ऊपर गिरा हुआ है, दूसरे में क्रॉसबार इज समवेयर इन बिटवीन, And in the third position, the crossbar is falling very down. If you'll see it once again, at the first case, the crossbar is going very high. In the second case, the crossbar is lying somewhere in between. And in the third case, the crossbar is falling very down. So this shows the first case, the crossbar is very high means this person has a very high goal in life. High goal. The person who is writing crossbar somewhere in between has a very average, mediocre goal. And the moment the crossbar goes down, very low goals in life. And that low goals comes because of the low self-esteem the person has, the low self-confidence the person has on himself. And it is not his mistake. Like during the upbringing, as a parent, next ignorant parent we can say, I cannot blame the parents also. How the parents like were born and brought up by their parents, nana, nani, dada, dadi. They transfer that same energy to their kids. तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता, तू नालायक है, तू ये है, तू वो है. तो बच्चों का सेल्फ एस्टीम की धज्जियां उड़ जाती है. जो भी इंसान होता है उसका सेल्फ एस्टीम एकदम नीचे जाता है. तो जब भी जिसका सेल्फ एस्टीम नीचे जाता है उसका टी का क्रॉस बार नीचे रहता है. So because of that lower crossbar which goes down, this body can attract disease, this body can attract all those negative thoughts because there are very low goals in life. तो जैसा goals नीचे, तो मेरे मेंटर कहते हैं कि हमेशा कि जिसका क्रॉस बार बहुत ऊपर होता है तो उनका बॉडी का फ्रीक्वेंसी 67 हर्ट्ज होता है एवरेज. ऐसा एक नंबर बता रहा हूँ. सो ये साल में कभी एक बार बीमार पड़ते हैं जिनका क्रॉस बार ऊपर, बिकॉज हाई गोल्स इन लाइफ. और जिनका बीच में रहता है वो महीने में एक बार बीमार पड़ते हैं, उनके बॉडी में एलर्जीज आते हैं. और जिनका एकदम नीचे रहता है वो बार बार बीमार, हफ्ते में सर मेरे लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हो सकता, दिस इज दिस, बिकॉज द क्रॉस बार्स आर वेरी लो. तो सेल्फ एस्टीम इज वेरी लो हियर. सो इफ यू हैव टू रेज योर बार्स, हम कहते हैं ना कि रेज योर बार्स. सो जब क्रॉस बार ऊपर जाएगा प्रैक्टिस करते हुए, व्हेन यू डू प्रैक्टिस एंड पुट द क्रॉस बार हाई, सो दैट इज हाउ योर सेल्फ एस्टीम विल गो हाई. एंड दिस लॉकडाउन में आप अपने आप को पुल अप करोगे और ऑटोमेटिक ब्रेन के पैटर्न्स के अंदर ये जो हाई गोल्स की तरफ आपका ब्रेन, इट्स नॉट दैट इजी, इट टेक्स 30-45 मिनट्स ऑफ रिगरस प्रैक्टिस. तो वी गिव सम एफर्मेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स टू बी रिटन that like my focus and concentration is increasing, I'm focusing on my studies, I'm focusing on my work properly, I'm able to find out some new avenues into this life. And तो वो लिखते लिखते जब टी का क्रॉस बार ऊपर डालेंगे तो उनका माइंडसेट बदलेगा एंड दे विल हैव बिग गोल्स इन लाइफ. जैसे कि अपने इंडियन कल्चर में पैसे को देवी का नाम दिया है महालक्ष्मी. सो महालक्ष्मी मतलब नोट बीट रख के दिवाली के टाइम पे हम लोग पूजा बीजा करते हैं, और उसके पहले दशहरे में सरस्वती की पूजा होती है और दिवाली में महालक्ष्मी की पूजा होती है. लेकिन इंडियंस लोग को इसके पीछे का मैसेज मालूम नहीं है. महालक्ष्मी का मतलब होता है, और उस पर डायलॉग भी मारते, सिद्धू जी दिवाली का वक्त है, दरवाजा खुला रखना, लक्ष्मी आएगी. बोले शेखर जी दिवाली का वक्त है, आपका भी दरवाजा खुला रखना, आपके घर से निकलेगी तो ही तो मेरे घर आएगी. मतलब ये मस्ती भी चलता रहता है उसके ऊपर. लेकिन मतलब क्या है मेरे दोस्तों, महालक्ष्मी मतलब महालक्ष्य, त्याच्या नंतर मी. महालक्ष्य त्याच्या नंतर मी. तो जिसके भी अभी महा में दो वर्ड है, बिग एंड महान. महान मतलब सेल्फलेस. सेल्फलेस मतलब कोई भी काम सेल्फिश तरीके से किया जाएगा और अगर वो अचीव नहीं हुआ देन यू विल हैव डिप्रेसिव थॉट्स. अगर आपका गोल सेल्फलेस है, यू आर वर्किंग फॉर एन एनजीओ फॉर सम पुअर पीपल, सेल्फलेस. You are working for serving the society, selfless. As an advocate, you will work for clearing the cases in 6 months rather than taking it for 10 years, 15 years and then taking the advantage of the client. And जब तक उसका फाइनेंसेस खत्म नहीं हो जाते तब तक जो है उसको लूटते रहते हैं. तो ये सेल्फिश गोल हो जाता है. तो जब ये सेल्फिश गोल्स चलते रहेंगे मेरे दोस्तों, कोरोना जाने वाला नहीं. जब सेल्फलेस गोल पे आएंगे तो टी के बार को रेस करना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट इज हाउ इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर. 80% है गोल्स हाई, ऑटोमेटिक इर्द गिर्द के सब चीजें सेट हो जाती है. सो वी वर्क ऑन टी मोस्ट. दैट्स इट.
So that's super, Prajesh. What you said, graphology can help us identify our purpose, and our purpose,
Yes.
as you said, should be bigger than our own self. That is where, if you could see our Prime Minister, he is 69 or 68, he is running brilliantly well. I mean, so he has a huge purpose, and all the great people have great purpose. And thank you so much for sharing about the knowledge of graphology to our audience. That friends, I would really tell people to get their grapho analysis done through Prajesh Trotsky, because that would really help you at this space in time, what exactly you are placed, how thoughts are, do you have affirmative thoughts or do you have disempowering thoughts coming to you? So this is a great way to get your analysis done. And at the end, we will share the process of how you can be in touch with Prajesh ji. So Prajesh ji, what are the applications of graphology? How graphology would really help us in real life? अगर मैं ये कोड सीखता हूँ या इसके बारे में जानकारी लेता हूँ, तो मुझे कैसी मदद होगी? मतलब हाउ आई विल रियली यूज इट इन माय रियल लाइफ?
Yeah. So when we speak about graphology, applications of graphology rather than uses of graphology, to be very simple, make it very simple.
Yes.
So basically 2010, I know you were the person who took me to learn this science, if you remember it.
Yes,
so
yes,
अपना classes चलता था, Apex Tutorial, Ace Academy and all. There were a lot of dropout students coming to our classes. They were putting a lot of efforts. I was putting efforts with them, but the outcome was not up to the mark. So I was sitting with you just discussing कि यार इतना मेहनत करते फिर भी ये पता नहीं चलता है कि बच्चे कहाँ हैं and how they are performing and all. So then you spoke about the science and we learned it from our guru. So my friends, my intention was to help the kids. मतलब मेरा intention था कि इसके जरिए मैं बच्चों को सुधारूंगा. लेकिन when I went there and learned this science, I could identify 5 shortcomings in my handwriting. My personality had 5 glitches, we can say. So सबसे बड़ा एप्लीकेशन पवन इज लाइक आप दुनिया को सुधारो या ना सुधारो, सेल्फ डिस्कवरी होती है.
Yes,
Where are you? Self discovery is the most important. मतलब बाकी सब बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन है, बट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन सेल्फ डिस्कवरी. मतलब ये जिस दिन लोगों को मालूम पड़ गया कि हम कहाँ गलत है, या गलत नहीं कह सकते, हमारी कमियां कहाँ हैं, शॉर्टकमिंग्स कहाँ हैं, सो देन वी कैन प्लेस अवर कम्युनिकेशन द सेम वे. लाइक होता क्या है, पूरा लाइफ है ना, हम दूसरों को ब्लेम करने में पूरी जिंदगी निकाल देते हैं और पता चलता है कि प्रॉब्लम हमारे अंदर ही था. So the most important aspect is self discovery, which we can identify through graphology. तो कहते हैं ना कि झांक रहे हैं इधर उधर सब, अपने अंदर झांके कौन, ढूंढ रहे हैं सब में कमियां, अपने मन में ताके कौन, दुनिया बदले सब चिल्लाए, खुद को आज बदले कौन, खुद बदले तो जग बदलेगा, ये सीधी बात स्वीकारे कौन. मतलब हम बोलते ना कि दुनिया को बदलने को जाते हैं और सब आते हैं बोलते सर मोदी ने क्या किया, योगी ने क्या किया, दूसरा तबका बोलता है कि राहुल ने क्या किया, केजरीवाल ने क्या किया. मैं सबको बिठाता हूँ, बोलता हूँ तुमने क्या किया आज तक. उसमें से एक बंदे ने मेरा 2 महीने पहले विजिटिंग कार्ड प्रिंट करने लिया था, अभी तक दिया नहीं था. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, हमको दुनिया को सुधारना है. सबसे बड़ा दुनिया में सबको एक ही चीज कहता, वी कैन नॉट चेंज एनीवन एट होम, neither in your surrounding or in it. We can only change ourselves. And the moment you start changing yourself, you can see changes outside. तो मेरे mentor हमेशा कहते हैं कि bring violent changes inside, then you will see silent changes outside. Bring violent changes inside, then you will see silent changes outside. That's the first and the ultimate application of graphology. Second is compatibility. Now you are my friend since almost 22-23 years.
Yes.
So I know your personality and you know my personality. तो जहाँ पे मतलब जहाँ पे सेलिंग करना है, लोगों को समझा के उनको कन्वर्ट करवाना है, तो यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन. मैं तो कभी भी फटाफट कितने का चेक देना है और सब खत्म कर दो, बिकॉज आई एम अ डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी. आई एम एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, आई एम एन एग्जीक्यूटर, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. सो कंपैटिबिलिटी दो जन के बीच का, वंस वी नो ईच अदर प्रॉपरली थ्रू दिस एनालिसिस, that becomes easier to understand the other person, because I know your strength, you know my strength, you know my weakness, you know your weakness, I know your weakness. So I will never get connected with Pawan for the weaknesses which he has. I will always get connected with Pawan for the positivity which he has, and what are the better things which he is like expertise into. So that is compatibility. Like मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि दुनिया में सबसे important compatibility husband wife की होनी चाहिए, और वाइफ और मदर इन लॉ की होनी चाहिए. दोनों का हैंडराइटिंग एनालिसिस सबसे पहला होना चाहिए शादी के पहले. तो पता चलता है कि ये दोनों की पर्सनालिटी कैसी है. और जिनकी शादी हो गई है तो मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकता, लेकिन एटलीस्ट पता तो चल सकता है. बिकॉज माय फ्रेंड, जो भी एक बंदा है, जो भी सामने बंदा है रिलेशनशिप में है, उसका अपब्रिंगिंग अलग है, उसका अपब्रिंगिंग अलग है, मेरा अपब्रिंगिंग अलग है. हमारे घर में 5:30 बजे उठने वाले, वाइफ के घर में 10-11 बजे उठने वाले. ये कहाँ से कंपैटिबिलिटी हो पाएगी? बिकॉज उनका एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, हमारा एक थॉट प्रोसेस है. तो ये थॉट प्रोसेस वी कैन एनालाइज थ्रू हैंड राइटिंग, एंड वी कैन एटलीस्ट से कि भाई ये इनकी पर्सनालिटी है, ये इनकी पर्सनालिटी, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड, लेट अस नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, let us not compromise, let us understand each other because there is no one perfect in the world. सबकी अपनी अपब्रिंगिंग होती है, तो वैसा compatibility not only husband wife, business partners, friends, what type of team work, team people you should have, like HR में कौन चाहिए, recruitments में तो सबसे ज्यादा ग्राफोलॉजी काम होता है because presenting well is nothing to do with honesty. यानी कि if I am presenting well right now, so can you tell me I am honest?
Absolutely.
नहीं बता सकते. You can never be able to say me that I am honest करके, but handwriting can catch out the honesty of the person. कितना दिन टिकेगा, किस तरीके का लीडरशिप है, ये फ्रंट डेस्क वाला आदमी है कि बैक एंड वाला आदमी है कि एक्सट्रोवर्ट है कि इंट्रोवर्ट है, ये माइन्यूट डिटेल पे काम कर सकता है कि लीडरशिप स्किल पे चला जाएगा, इसको कहाँ प्लेस करना है, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. और एक और चीज बता दो, क्रिमिनोलॉजी, यानी कि सब चीज, चाइल्ड अब्यूज से लेके आपके लाइफ में कुछ अब्यूज हुआ है, कुछ भी हुआ है, हैंड राइटिंग उसको बताएगा. देयर विल बी सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द वेरियस अब्यूजेस व्हिच हैज हैपेंड इन योर लाइफ, योर पास्ट चैलेंजेस एंड ऑल बी रेक्टिफाइड इन क्रिमिनोलॉजी. बट ऑफ दिस कुछ भी है, सुइसाइडल मेंटालिटी बोलो, आई गॉट वन फ्यू डेज बैक ओनली, आई गॉट वन हैंड राइटिंग व्हिच हैड अ लिटिल बिट ट्रेट ऑफ सुइसाइडल बिकॉज वो थिंकिंग फीलिंग उसके माइंड में स्टार्ट हो चुका था बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टन चैलेंजेस करके. इमीडिएटली आई कुड हैंडल इट एंड नाउ द पर्सन इज नॉर्मल करके. सो दैट इज द वेरियस, मतलब इतना एप्लीकेशन है कि मैं 3-4 ही बता पाए.
So Prajesh, you said brilliantly, like, I mean, I was not, there is so much to learn about graphology that you shared about, like, in the corporate world also, like, people can really, it can really be compatible with the process, assessment process, the psychometric analysis, what they do. So it can really be, like, it can go hand in hand with the psychometric and the analysis, what they do at the interview time. So,
yes.
So friends, I would really tell you that do take this advantage of, like, you put a lot of money on training people, but you can do a simple analysis of your handwriting through Prajesh, so that a lot of your time, money and energy is saved before recruiting, so that you know, because we don't know how the person is going through in emotional side of that person. So we can really come to know about through graphology. So Prajesh, I want to know, like, how many people you have trained so far from last, I know you are training from last 10 years. So how many people you have trained till now, and why you have chosen this field? Because you would have done thousands of other things. You could have been the administrator, you could have taught existing what you were teaching. So why you have dedicated your entire life to graphology, only graphology?
See, to be very frank, like, the root cause, like when I was working with kids and all, हम लोग, I'm a very, very hard working person. Like, मैं बच्चों को सुबह 7 बजे बुलाता था, बच्चे 1 बजे जाते थे, and then again afternoon 6 or evening 6 to 9, कभी कभी रात तक मैं बिठा के रखता था. मैं भी एफर्ट डाल रहा हूँ, वो भी एफर्ट डाल रहे, बट रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे. एंड आई एम बीइंग इन टीचिंग प्रोफेशन, पेरेंट्स का कंप्लेंट, स्टूडेंट्स का कंप्लेंट, टीचर्स का कंप्लेंट, ये सुधर नहीं रहा है, ये है वो है. हम कितना भी मेहनत करें, लेकिन उसका साइक, उसका जो विचार, जो थॉट प्रोसेस उसके अंदर है, जो उसके -9 months to 14 years के दरमियान उसके अंदर ही आ चुका है, उसको रेक्टिफाई नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम कितना भी एफर्ट डालते हो वेस्ट चला जाता है. तो मैं बोला यार ये कितना, अभी मैं बार बार -9 months कह रहा हूँ, वाई -9 months. तो जब से वो फर्स्ट बीज का फॉर्मेशन, सीड फॉर्मेशन होता है, वहां से जब एक मेल फीमेल शादी करते हैं, देन उनका यूनियन होता है, वहां से लेके जो भी वो मदर एंड फादर के थॉट प्रोसेस उस वक्त में थे, वेदर इट वाज विद एंगर और फियर और लव एंड अफेक्शन एंड इमोशन, व्हाटसर में भी द थॉट प्रोसेस ड्यूरिंग दोस पीरियड, वो एनर्जी के साथ एक नया बच्चा जन्म लेता है. और ये एनर्जीज की वजह से ही वो आइदर वो ग्रो करता है या डाउनफॉल में जाता है या कुछ ना कुछ अट्रैक्ट करता है. सो दैट इज द माइंडसेट, दैट इज हाउ द पर्सन गोस. मैं बोला यार फिर मैथमेटिक्स, अलजेब्रा, ज्योमेट्री सब पढ़ाने से अच्छा व्हाई डोंट आई वर्क ऑन द रूट कॉज. इफ यू चेंज द रूट्स देन ओनली वी कैन चेंज द फ्रूट्स. तो चेंजिंग द रूट्स, सो ग्राफोलॉजी इज अ साइंस विच हेल्प्स अस to identify the root cause of the thought process which the person is having. Because जो डेवलपमेंट होता है ना, एक बंदा फलाना कैरेक्टर का बनता है, जैसे कि मेरा कैरेक्टर है कि मैं हमेशा टाइम पे पहुंचता हूँ. पवन एंड वी बोथ अभी समझो 9 बजे बुलाए तो 8:45 को ही जाके हम लोग जमा हो जाते हैं, 8:30 बजे जमा हो जाते हैं। तो ये जो कैरेक्टर है, आई बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दिस कैरेक्टर एवरीवेयर, कि प्रजेश सर को कौन सी भी टाइम पे बुला लो वो पहुंच जाते हैं, वही ट्रैफिक जाम, वही गर्दी, वही रेलवे, वही एक्सप्रेस हाईवे, सब जगह हो, बट आई विल ऑलवेज रीच ऑन टाइम। सो ये थॉट, तो कोई भी कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग थॉट से होता है, थॉट्स, वर्ड्स, एक्शन, हैबिट एंड कैरेक्टर। सो माय पेरेंट्स गेव द थॉट्स कि हमेशा हर जगह 15-20 मिनट पहला पहुंचना चाहिए। तो जब भी मेरे दोस्त लोग बोलते चलना यार आज लेट होएगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, तो थॉट से मैं वर्ड्स को कन्वर्ट कर दूं, नहीं 15 मिनट्स बिफोर, तो थॉट बिकेम वर्ड्स। वो लोग खड़े रहते थे, मैं चला जाता था, तो एक्शन। तो ये रिपीटेड एक्शन बिकेम माय हैबिट एंड दैट बिकेम माय कैरेक्टर। ये मेरा कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग हो गया। ऐसे कितने सारे अच्छे और नेगेटिव थॉट्स एज अ पेरेंट, एज अ टीचर, एज अ कम्युनिटी हम बच्चों के अंदर डाल देते हैं। तो उस थॉट प्रोसेस को पकड़ते हुए वर्ड्स, एक्शन, हैबिट और उसका क्या बन जाता है, कैरेक्टर। अब इसको बदलना, वो उसको खुद को मालूम नहीं उसके अंदर वो कैरेक्टर है, एंड ही लीव्स दैट एंटायर लाइफ टेलिंग कि देखो ये गलत है, वो गलत है, उसको देखो क्या कर रहा है, इसको देखो क्या कर रहा है। तो कहते हैं ना कि उम्र भर गालिब ये गुस्ताखी करता रहा, धूल चेहरे पे थी और आईना साफ करता रहा। तो ये चलता रहता। तो मैंने सोचा कि रूट कॉज पे काम करे। सो ग्राफोलॉजी मुझे भा गया और मुझे क्या ऐसा लगता था कि लाइक टू हेल्प पीपल, लाइक टू कम आउट ऑफ द चैलेंजेस, बिकॉज मैंने अपने लाइफ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस किए। तो यू आर देयर टू सपोर्ट मी एट वेरियस फ्रंट्स। लाइक मैं कभी ग्रेटिट्यूड करता हूं तो मैं देखता हूं कि 2009 से लेके 2019 तक तो तेरा ही चेहरा दिखता है एज अ फ्रेंड, की बाकी कोई है ही नहीं। बिकॉज सक्सेस हैज मेनी फादर्स एंड फेलियर हैज नन। मतलब जब हम कामयाब रहेंगे तो दुनिया भर के दोस्त लोग, हाँ सर प्रजेश सर मैं आपके साथ था, मैं आपको छोड़ा करता था बाइक पे एंड ऑल दिस थिंग, सब होता था। अब फेलियर में कोई खड़ा नहीं रहता है। तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि उस दरमियान जो भी हमारा माइंडसेट होता है, so that strong mindset which was developed because of the upbringing, तो हमारी personality होती है। And I could come out of these challenges of life because I had certain mindset first, and I added certain mindset through graphology. I rectified certain parameters. There were 5 parameters which were like we call it as the shortcomings in my personality. So 2010 के बाद ये सब parameters को मैंने अपने personality में add किया, apply किया, and I can see the difference. I could stand strong. So I want people to stand strong during this lockdown. To unlock your potential which is there inside, and rectify them, the negative ones, so as to get a better life ahead.
So, Pradesh, how many people you have trained so far? This education has reached to how many people, like through schools?
Like so far, yeah. So I have covered, I don't know, like almost 75 to 100 institutes.
Wow.
I address a lot of teachers, and by free, I do take a lot of the free sessions for 3 hours. So that means I might have reached at least 1,000 odd people, many such. And I'm also an appointed trainer to Kapila Khandwad B.Ed College. It's at Santa Cruz, where they have called me to train the second year B.Ed students into graphology. So I run a 50 hours course there. So they give the certification because every teacher must be a graphologist. Okay. So that is my aim. And secondly, like till now, 200 people have learned from me in the last, because till 2015 I was just doing as a hobby, but now I have made it like as my profession, passion and everything. So in the last lockdown, in these 4 months, I have at least reached 90 odd people.
Wow. So that's a brilliant thing. Yeah, 90 odd people in this lockdown time when people are not doing anything. You are really helping people to become a better version of their own self. So Pradesh, if anybody wants to learn, how should they approach you? If anyone wants to be a part of this, they want to learn or they want to do their analysis. So how should they? Yeah.
So I'll be keeping a free session in the month of last week of June. July, somewhere on 25th or 26th, the dates will be announced. They can ping me on my personal number, if I can share the number here.
Yes,
so it is 9869 457455. So it's my personal number. You can ping me rather than calling. If you can ping me on the WhatsApp, the same number is on the WhatsApp. I can send the details to them, and so that they can be in touch. My third batch is going on right now on Saturday and Sunday. So it will get over next weekend, and then I will be having one more free session where 3 hours I'll be speaking. We spoke for some 30 odd minutes right now. There I'll be speaking in detail about this course, like how we can understand in a better way. So 3 hours I'll be speaking there, and then people those are interested can join the course or get the analysis done. We also offer a 30 minutes free analysis also in that. कि जिसको अगर थोड़ा और टेस्ट चाहिए तो 30 मिनट फ्री एनालिसिस हम लोग करवा के देते हैं. So I have 200 plus people, the entire team, very strong people, where we have chartered accountants, where we have lawyers, teachers, doctors, and number of people from, in this previous batch, like I have people from Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, from Iraq, from Singapore. People are learning across, not only India now, we are getting people from London also, like people are learning the course.
Wow, that's
and
brilliant. Like friends, I would really love to watch. I know Prajesh from last decade, 2 decades in fact, and I know that he is really religiously practicing graphology. He's not the one who has learned or who is just coaching. He's really living that life and really making a difference to the society. So I would urge each one of you to really at least do the analysis, and if you have time, and you can do the online version because it is very safe and convenient with you, that where you can really learn this entire thing at your home. So take this opportunity. So Prajesh, how much investment one has to make to learn this course, like in this?
See, since it is lockdown. Yeah. So like when I used to take this course offline, like by booking a room and everything, so we were charging 18,000 rupees.
Okay.
So now since it is lockdown, and first of all, since it is online, so there is a reduction of the fees, 9,000 rupees. Now since it is in lockdown, like people have challenges for money and everything because we don't know what is going to happen. So some resources needs to be taken care of. So I've kept it very less, 6,000 rupees, 5,999.
Wow.
5,999. I'm teaching the entire course, where we will be giving the recording of the entire course along with it if you miss something here and there. Apart from the 3 revisions like to handhold ki kuch aur doubt clearance karna hai to main wo karke dunga. Apart from that, whenever I'll be taking an online course in the future, they can attend that course free of cost. Repeat that course once again, just in the 6,000 rupees. That means 6,000 रुपए में आप मेरे life के लिए, मतलब you became a part of my life in 6,000 rupees. And apart from that, like I conduct a session in the morning from 7:15 to 9:15 about meditation and yoga and gratitude. तो वो आपको free में मिलेगा. और इसके अलावा I do a special concept called as, if you know Pawan, I started that Sushant Singh Rajput, when he committed suicide, the same day I got 7 calls. 7 कॉल मुझे मिले. 2 जन थैंक यू करते हुए कि थैंक यू प्रजेश, you are there, so you lifted the phone and we could share our emotions, and otherwise we could have also committed suicide. So 2 people thanked me and 4 to 5 people were in depression. So I was there till 1:30, 2 o'clock talking to them. So immediately an idea came to me where people wants to share, but there are no one to share because family में, friends में सब judge करते हैं, ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है. तो immediately मैंने एक concept launch किया जिसको कहते हैं talk to me. Talk to me, गुरु है, शुक्र है, गुरु है, शुक्र है. So every Thursday and every Friday from 5 o'clock till 9 o'clock, I address at least 4 people. Like 1 घंटा मैं एक जन को देता हूँ, and they can call me, they can share, express and get refreshed free of cost, no charges. In the last 1 month, I've covered almost 30 odd people, where people are sharing, crying, expressing whatever is there inside and relaxing after that. So that is also like a part. If you become a member of my group, my community of wellness ambassadors, in 6,000 rupees, all this advantage you will get.
So, Prajesh, what is the time investment? So you said about 18,000 ka course in offline version, and now it's only 5,999. So this is a very killer offer with recordings and all, where you can really go through. Suppose you have missed any of the session, you can go through online, sitting at your comfort of your time and at your home. So Prajesh, can you share like what is the time investment? How much time allocation one has to do to learn this course, and post learning also, how much time would it take to practice and to be a real graphologist, like one can say that?
Fine. So the basic time which we want for the course to be learned, like I conduct it on every Saturday and Sunday, we can say. So 4 hours on Saturday, 4 hours on Sunday. So 4 weekends. So we can say he 8 4s are 32 hours on an average, 32 hours, where we learn the entire course. And after that, 3 revision of each of 3 hours. So that we can say 9 hours. That is one part. Then we make you to do analysis, assessment. Like we take a test. We don't call it as a test. We just tell you to analyze an handwriting of a third person about whom you don't know. And they will give us the feedback and then we give you the certification. Now there is a process. We always say ki don't immediately start like teaching and don't immediately start earning or something like that. At least cover 50 to 150 bare minimum analysis you should do. Because क्या होता है इतने वेरिड पर्सनालिटीज होते हैं कि जब तक आप एक 50-100 तक पहुंचते नहीं हो ना तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस उस लेवल पे नहीं आता है.
Okay.
So we also have a lot of samples with us. So we give you to analyze and revise and go through those samples. We keep on taking a lot of free sessions and we keep on taking a lot of revision sessions every now and then. So ऐसा करते करते and then eventually first free वाला session मतलब लोगों का analysis free में कर देना. Then 100 रुपया charge करना start करना. Then 200 rupees and then you can reach to any amount. Like because I did one analysis with a concept called as AKSD. अपनी खुशी से दे दो. अपने खुशी से दे दो. Because he was a very known person to me or I could not quote anything. My like Pawan, he just conducted it for 2 hours and he paid me 5,000 rupees.
Wow.
So उसके लिए 5,000 कोई बड़ी बात नहीं because उसका life transform हो गया because of that analysis and everything. So just and one thing ऐसा है.
एक analysis में the entire fees is recovered. So friends.
Yes.
So I would, and how much do you charge for the analysis in this lockdown time?
Yeah. So when I used to take this offline analysis, I used to charge 5,000 for a single sitting for 2 to 3 hours. Like if you do it with me, so I charge 5,000. It's not because I'm a costly person, it's because I am not that much interested into analysis because I have 200 people team. So they do the analysis work and all. I'm interested in teaching the course and because I'm into MCOA, Maharashtra Class Owners Association, BNI, so many things are there. So I have to take care of a lot of other portfolios also. So I am interested in teaching, but if personally they want, so I used to charge 5,000 and my people used to charge, like my trainers used to charge 3,000 rupees. Now it is online, like we do WhatsApp calling and we do the analysis. So we only charge 600 rupees. I made it very damn 600 rupees, 599 rupees. 600 rupees में 190 minutes का आपको report मिलेगा जिसमें therapies दिए जाएंगे and you can keep on changing and the person will be taking a follow up. हर week में एक follow up लेता रहेगा कि क्या होगा, कितना लिख के हो गया आपका and this follow up will be given free of cost to you. So 600 rupees में analysis आप करवा सकते हैं. मेरे से कराना है तो avoid करो लेकिन I charge 2,000 rupees. If my time is required, that is how it is.
Fantastic. So, friends, the course fee is 6,000 rupees and time investment is 36 hours and your analysis is 600 rupees. So, transform your life. First, I would advise everybody to at least do your analysis. So, in 600 rupees, you get to know about your SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So in this lockdown time, you have to set your priorities, like what kind of priority you are living, because you have been in this lockdown time and you know you are not finding time to be with your family members, to find your hobby, and really you can really come to know about this and you can transform your life. You can shift the way Prajesh sir has really shifted his entire personality. He was a teacher, he was coaching in one area of place like Goregaon and Malad. Now he is transforming across world. You have seen this. Science gives you an opportunity to train a lot of people outside the border. Like he's training Iraq, people sitting in Iraq, Singapore, London. So friends, this is an amazing opportunity and don't miss it. So thank you, Prajesh, for your time, and it was very nice to have you on our lockdown leadership series, because I really believe that real heroes are really who is working in spite of fear and in spite of all the challenges. The challenges to sabke liye hai, but people who are really giving a meaning to life and transforming people's life. That is where I thought of starting this, and you are one among them. I could see up to you when in public journey. So thank you so much. And audience, if you have any questions to Prajesh sir, you can really, we are there for more 1-2 minutes. You can just type in the comment box. If you have any questions you need to ask, if you have any challenges, so Prajesh sir would really help you right now. Or else what he can do is you can just type your email ID. He can really reply, or WhatsApp number. You can get a reply over it. So if you have any kind of questions, just do put in the comment box. Yeah. So it was great to have you, Prajesh, and
Thank you.
we'll keep on. Like I hope, I wish you a lot of success, and a lot of people should join your course and get themselves transformed. So graphology,
Yes.
personally, when I learned this science of graphology, it has really helped me, though I am not using it actively. But when we learn to drive cycle or car or swimming, so it's subconsciously added into your personality, and you are so automatic. Then you come to know looking at the person. So it is really helping me a lot as well. I save a lot of time when I see the handwriting of a person with whom I'm doing work. So I know ki this personality is. So compatibilities happen so much. So I can really relate to what you are saying, and I also believe. But you have mastered the art because you have practiced and teach. When you teach somebody, you learn a lot. Your ability.
Yes, yes.
So since we have taken so many batches, and I have seen you that you have been very consistent batches after batches, and all your students are very connected with you. After it is not like unlike other trainers who really learn and they leave you post. So a lot of people are connected with you. I could see that. They are still asking you so many queries, and so friends, I would really tell you that Prajesh sir has created a tribe of graphologists, and a lot of people are still connected. So you get to learn, you can learn so many things to be a part of this WhatsApp group, and you can connect, you can do a lot of networking, and if you really need any help, so you can really get it. So he is a man to look up to, and thank you, Prajesh.
Thank you, Pawan.
Yes. Thank you, audience,
Thank you, Pawan, for
being
this.
with us.
Yeah.
So I could see Pritesh, Gautam, and so many, all the people who are there, and really share this in your Facebook and WhatsApp and YouTube. Really, see, I could join graphology, and I used to share everything with Prajesh at that point of time. And Prajesh was the one who took it very seriously, and he moved the wagon ahead. So that is the best part about it. Like you share and Prajesh sir is creating wellness ambassador and transforming a lot of lives. So do share this knowledge. Knowledge is something to share with others. So that is what I believed, and I see very happy that though I am not doing it through me, Prajesh has done it, and through Prajesh, so many people are getting benefited. So that's really so nice of it. Thank you.
So I should be always grateful to you, Pawan, and thank you for such a wonderful initiative you have taken.
Yes.
Lockdown, leadership lockdown, like it's very, very important to keep ourselves engaging during this unprecedented times where there is no one to handhold you, and none of us know, because it's for the first time it has come. Like we don't know the past, we don't know the future, so we know only the present and how we can stand strong in the present. And such series will always help people like those are having challenges in life, will always help them to come out of the intricacies of life. Thank you once again for this initiative. Thank you all the people, those are joined for today's session, and pass this message, keep on passing this message. Thank you. Thank you, Pawan.
Thank you. Thank you.